You can see I've covered everything up. Well, trying to cover everything up. Well, not trying, I'm going to sand this down. I've got a sanding machine, I've got the table that I'm going to sand off. I've covered everything to keep off the dust. I've got a hoover to hoover up the dust. Right, time to get my next step is to varnish it. I'm using a water-based varnish with a shine on it, and it being water-based, it will dry in 20 minutes. That means that I can do it. I can put another coat on, and then if I don't like the look after 2 coats, I can put a 3rd coat on, all in the space of a couple of hours. I've put a first coat of water-based varnish on here about 10 or 15 minutes ago, and it's just drying out. It'll be ready to use, or ready to put another coat on, in 1 hour, and then I shall put a 2nd coat of varnish on, and perhaps a 3rd. The good thing about a water-based varnish is it doesn't smell very much, and you can wash your brush out in water. Now this is a waterproof varnish. Sorry, not waterproof. A water-based varnish, which means I can apply the varnish and then it'll dry in 20 minutes, and then after an hour I can apply another coat, which is rather fantastic.